Module 5, Lesson 4, and you are practicing counting the say 10 way to 19. So for today's problems, we are using 10 frames. Okay, so because we're counting the say 10 way, I know that I'm going to be counting above 10, so I need more than one 10 frame. And for my first sentence, I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'll get one set up for you, and you're going to do it on your own, okay? So the first sentence says, I can make 10 2. So I have to be able to show 10 2 in my 10 frames. Okay, so I'm going to draw circles, and if I have 10 and 2, I know I fill up my first 10 frame all the way because there's 10 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have 10, 2, so I need to draw 2 more. 1, 2. 10, 2, which is the same as 12. Okay, so now I'm going to get another one set up for you, and I want you to draw the amount that I make the sentence for, okay? So let me draw our 10 frames here. Okay, and my sentence is going to say, I can make 10 9. Okay, so I have 10 9. Can you show me 10 9 in the 10 frames? Send me a picture when you're done.